This is how you can create beautiful color palettes in Procreate every single time. Hello wonderful people, it's Genevieve and I teach illustration here on YouTube, and a few weeks ago I got this comment which made me realize that a lot of the basic features and tools are kind of hidden in Procreate. So we're fixing that with this new series I call Procreate Loves Hiding Simple Features in Random Places, so I'm finding them for you. Today we're talking about a feature that makes building color palettes effortless and can even help you learn color theory. So grab your iPad and let's look into it. So most of us already know about the color selector here on the top right. It's pretty straightforward really. You tap on it and you select the color you want to use. But have you ever looked at the options at the bottom of the menu? If you pick harmony, so the option in the middle, you will get a wheel that at first looks pretty normal. But if you look closer, you'll see that there is a hidden menu here where it says complementary. Tapping on it will open this hidden harmony selector, which includes 5 harmonies you might have learned about in color theory. Complementary, which is the 2 colors opposite to each other on the color wheel. Split complementary, which is similar to complementary, except this time you have 1 color on one side and 2 colors on the other. Analogous, where you get 3 colors close to each other. Triadic, which is 3 colors at an equal distance on the color wheel, so a perfect triangle. And finally, tetradic, which is 4 colors at an equal distance on the color wheel, so a square. And what this means is you can really just pick one color you absolutely want to have in your illustration, say a green for my frog here, and then browse the harmonies to see which one seems to be a better fit for your piece. Now, once you've picked one harmony, you can save it by switching to the palette section and tapping the plus on the top right corner to create a new palette. You can then go back to the harmony section, select each suggested color on the wheel, and tap on an empty space in the palette to add it. You can also expand the palette by switching to the value section and playing with the S slider, which is the saturation or how colorful your color is, and the B slider, which is the brightness or how light or dark your color is. You can also play with the H slider, which is the hue or the actual color of the color, so blue, green, yellow, but this will give you colors that break out of the original harmony since hue is what the harmony tool itself controls. But otherwise that's it. You now have a beautiful palette you can use as a starting point to color your drawing. And I'm going to say this because I always get questions in my illustration course when I teach about color theory. Palettes you create using this technique are not meant to keep you stuck or in a box. If you want to add more colors, just go for it. Think of harmonies as a foundation, or really just a quick way to get out of the coloring version of blank page syndrome. They're not an unbreakable rule by any stretch of the imagination. They are really just there to be helpful. Now, I want to know, what else are you trying to do in Procreate that the app is making extra hard for some reason? Is it drop shadows, outlines, something else? Please let me know in the comments below because I am determined to figure it out for you. In the meantime though, check out this playlist to discover other hidden Procreate features and make sure to subscribe right here so you don't miss more Procreate tips just like this one. I'll see you in the next video.